Imagine waking up, opening your phone, and your AI influencer has been dancing all night on Instagram and YouTube, while you were sleeping, and those views just turned into real payouts from this secret AI tool. Sounds crazy, right? Stay with me for a few minutes and I will break down every single step on screen. In this video, you will learn how to turn a completely virtual AI influencer into a real income stream using Higgsfield AI's latest feature. With this new update, you can create ultra-realistic AI influencers for free, generate their content without any camera or model, and then connect those videos to Higgsfield Earn, so your views start converting into actual payouts. So watch this video till the end, and simply follow the same steps on your own account. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to create a hyper-realistic AI influencer with Higgsfield AI, turn it into a video, and then actually earn money by posting those videos on your social media accounts. As soon as you sign up on Higgsfield AI, you will see a clean dashboard with different AI tools for images and videos. For this tutorial, we will only use two options: Create AI Influencer and Higgsfield Earn. First, we will create the AI influencer, and at the end, I will show you how the earning system works. Right now, the AI influencer feature is marked as free, which means you can create influencers without paying. Click on Create AI Influencer. On this page, on the left side, you will see some ready-made AI influencers that you can customize and use. But we will create a completely custom influencer from scratch, so click on Create New. On the right side, you will see all the parameters to design your influencer. You can either write a custom text prompt, or you can build the character visually using the Builder tab. In this video, we will use the Builder, so click on Builder. First, select the character type. You can choose a normal human, or a mixed character like human plus ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, alien, reptile, and so on. In those mixed types, the face becomes that creature and the body stays human. For this tutorial, I want a realistic human influencer, so I will select human. Next, choose the gender. I want to create a female AI influencer, so I will select female. Then choose the ethnicity. You have options like African, Asian, European, Indian, Middle Eastern, and others. For this example, I will select European. After that, pick the skin color from the given options. I will choose a brown skin tone. Next, set the eye color and type. From here, I will give my influencer blue eyes. In the skin conditions section, you can optionally add details like burns, scars, or birthmarks. If you do not want anything, you can leave it blank. Here I will keep it clean and skip extra marks. In the age section, I want this influencer to look like an adult, so I will select adult. Now come down to advanced settings. Here you can refine the face, body, and style. Inside the face settings, first you have eyes type. You can choose human eyes, reptile-style eyes, or mechanical robotic eyes. Because I want this influencer to look natural and human, I will select human eyes. Then, in eye detail, you can control how the eyes look. For example, clean, blind, stylized, and so on. I will keep it simple and select the default first option. Next is the mouth section. You can choose different mouth shapes. I will select small mouth for a softer expression. In the ears section, you can choose different ear styles, but for a realistic look, I will keep normal human ears. You will also see an option for face skin material. For a natural result, I will select human skin. Below that, you can decide if the skin should be completely clean or have patterns and symbols. For this tutorial, I want a clean, simple look, so I will select solid. Now, in the body type section, you can choose the overall body shape. For my influencer, I will select a lean body type. Then you can control the left arm and right arm separately. In both cases, I will choose normal, so both arms stay human and natural. For the leg section, again, you have different options, but I will select normal legs to keep everything realistic. Next, choose the hair type. You can experiment with different styles, but for this influencer, I will select long hair. If you want, you can also add tattoos or other markings on the body from the markings or similar options. For now, I will skip this and keep the body clean. Finally, go to the rendering style section. Here you can decide how the final influencer should look. For example, anime style, cartoon style, or ultra-realistic. In this example, I want a human ultra-realistic look, so I will select ultra-realistic human. Anime and other styles are also trending, so you can choose whatever suits your content. After setting all these options, click on the Generate Influencer button. Higgsfield will now process all your settings and start generating the character. On the screen, you will see a summary of the parameters you selected. There is also a note that generation can take some time because of high traffic, and if any generation fails, your credits are automatically refunded. After a short wait, your AI influencer image will be generated. You can clearly see the ultra-realistic result on the screen. If you want, you can still tweak it using the prompt box or by adjusting some settings. Right now, this is a static image. Next, we will animate it and turn it into a video. To do that, click on the video icon. It will show Try Free, which means you can test video generation for free. Click on it, then click Explore More. Here you will see the motion library. These are ready-made motion or dance clips that you can apply directly to your AI influencer image. On the preview, you will see your influencer image and a sample motion video. First, remove the default sample video. Now, from the motion library, select any motion or dance style you like. For example, I will click on this motion clip to apply it to my character. You will see that the selected motion appears in the motion area. Next, choose the video quality. At 720p, it costs 1 credit. At 1080p, it costs 1.5 credits. For this demo, I will select 720p. Then go to the scene control mode. If you choose image, your video will use the same background as your influencer image. If you choose video, it will use the background from the motion video itself. In advanced settings, you can also describe a custom background using a prompt if you want a specific scene. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button. Higgsfield will now create the full AI influencer video. Again, this can take some time if the servers are busy. After processing, your AI influencer video will be ready. Play it once and check the result. It looks highly realistic, and if you upload it to social media, many people will think it is a real person. If you want more variations, you can come back, choose a different motion, and generate new videos. When you are happy, click the Download button to save the video. Now let us talk about earnings. Go back to the main homepage and click on Higgsfield Earn. A new page will open where you can see daily earnings of different users. They explain the earning system in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect any of your social accounts, like your YouTube channel or Instagram account. Step 2. Upload your AI influencer videos on those connected accounts. Higgsfield's system will automatically track your views, engagement, and performance. Step 3. Once your content is approved, your earnings start. Instant payments will appear inside your Higgsfield account dashboard. So this is how you can create an AI influencer, turn it into realistic videos, post them on social media, and earn through Higgsfield AI. I have added the direct links to these Higgsfield tools in the description. Check them out. Try creating your own influencer, and let me know in the comments what niche you want to target. Thanks for watching.